I'm Patrick from Atlas, and this is the new Field-Configurable Wall Light. This fixture is fully customizable in the field. With just a basic screwdriver or any flathead tool, you can adjust lumen output, color temperature, and light distribution with just the flip of a switch. There are 3 modes for every setting, which creates 27 unique configurations in a single fixture. You can change the light distribution to one of 3 different patterns. A downward pattern to focus light below the fixture, a wider, full pattern for balanced coverage, or a forward throw pattern that provides more light farther away from the wall. Light output can be set to 5,000, 8,000, or 11,000 lumens. You can also adjust the color temperature setting to either 3,000, 4,000, or 5,000 Kelvin. A photo control is also included, which can be toggled on or off using a switch. When the photo control is turned on, the fixture will turn on in the evening and turn off again the next morning. This wall light was developed as a rugged, flexible solution for a wide variety of applications in both new construction and retrofit opportunities. It's suitable for driveways, loading areas, parking lots, sidewalks, facades, and more. The Field-Configurable Wall Light is in stock now and ready to ship. For more information, contact your local Atlas distributor, agent, or reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.